It's super early and Jerry's leaving. I'm about to drive him to Limoges. It's horrible.
Well, and thanks for all the hard work. Take care of her. So long, farewell, happy to say goodbye. I will return. I don't know if I'll try. Goodbye. I don't know the words. I don't know the words.
Wow, I'm just rushing off to take Jerry to the airport and I've just seen that our new bins have been delivered. And I never thought I'd get excited about new wheelie bins, but I feel I am excited about them. Well, this is a very sad moment. Cockerel's pretty angry. He doesn't want you to go, Jerry.
Go.
Oh, here we go. Great. Jerry and I have hit the only red light between us and the airport. It's a 1.5 hour drive, one traffic light in the middle of nowhere. And it's gone red.
This is me now at the airport in Limoges.
Gerald, this is horrible. I don't want you to go.
I don't want to go either. It's been lovely, but absence makes the heart grow fonder. And in 2 weeks' time, I'll be back here again, and my French will, as usual, be perfect. After I learn to speak English, I'm going to learn to speak French. I've taken the opportunity to come to my favourite supermarket in Limoges. Look at the size of this avocado. I don't even know what half of these things are. There's a million different types of tomato in every imaginable colour. I have a sudden urge for mini peppers. I think I'm going to make fish with some of these and some long, thin Chinese aubergine. Now it's by far my favourite section, the herbs. I can't wait to get home and start cooking. It's making me hungry. It's glorious. I have to show you this. It's very French. Here we have a sign for all directions. That's the top one. Tout direction. And here, bottom one here says other directions. Autre direction. I love it. Well, here is Sod's Law in action. I have hit the solo traffic light on my way home too. I think I will spend the time eating some olive bread. We are down to 4 of us at the chateau. What sort of woman were you saying that Percy wants?
Oh, he wants a good for nothing but bad woman.
Ooh, and you chose Mummy, is that
Yes,
because that's what she is?
That's exactly right. She's just describing herself.
Cheers.
We need to have a box hedging farm.
I agree. And because all that box I grew myself, you see.
Yes.
So we take cuttings from the big box tree in the vegetable garden in September, really.
Okay.
And then
where-
wait
where-
patiently.
Where can we keep them?
We can put them in one of the borders in the garden.
Okay, so we take cuttings, put them in cotton wool for a bit.
First of all, we
More
put them
wine,
in pots,
Percy?
you know?
Oh yes, I
And
don't
let
think
them
there's
cook
any
a bit.
reason not to have more wine.
No
Thank you
reason
very
for us to be
much.
part of the box hedging discussion.
I'm not
With
part of that
time.
I'm
discussion.
thinking wine and cake or a little bit of rhubarb
And then
crumble.
you've got to
I'm
decide
more
where you
interested
want them.
in
Can we take
repacking
box
the
that's already in the vegetable
workshop
garden?
and the
That's
box
beautiful.
hedging farm.
Can we replant that?
And I'm in charge of
It's a
fruit
bit too
processing this afternoon. Apparently I have to make cherry
You're talking
jam
about the
and
big
raspberry
one.
cake.
Yeah,
This
it will
afternoon
be-
I'm going to sort out the drinks
It will die.
room. So the whiskies will be
Yes,
together, the
cuttings will be-
vodkas.
Right. So
Percy,
We'll
we're
know
going to
everything.
find you in a heap there tonight.
I've told you I will deal with the fruit.
Yes, the worry is when, with a big capital W.
Mañana, mañana, mañana.
I'll rather give them to the sheep. Yes. The best jam is made from fruits having been picked 10 minutes before.
Oh, well, we've already missed that, so we may as well just let it go now. I beg your pardon, Mummy?
Wait another 10 minutes, there'll be less of them to jam.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, I can't see anything that's wrong
You
with
don't
that.
need to worry about it.
Mummy's decided that as I won't make the jam on time, she's going to eat every single cherry in front of me.
I'm going to help you.
That's a raspberry,
That's not a
Michael.
cherry.
Oh, South African.